Hello, Assalamu alaikum ji. How are you? कैसे हैं आप लोग? Today I am going to discuss a very important topic of the entrepreneurship, that is feasibility analysis. ये मैं बड़ा important topic है जो कि मैं आज आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ. उसके अंदर जो मेजर इसके अंदर जो सिलसिला है वो ये है कि to explain what is feasibility analysis and why it is so important. Number one. Number two is describing the product services feasibility analysis, explain it, the purposes, and discuss the two primary issues that a proposed business should consider in this area. The other thing is that to describe an industry market feasibility analysis, explain it purpose, and discuss the two primary, again the issue that needs to be considered while completing the this analysis. Later, we are going to learn that how to understanding the organizational feasibility analysis and its purpose, and discuss the two primary issues to consider while completing this analysis. And last but not least, the most important element of this feasibility analysis is to see the financial feasibility analysis, where we can explain its importance and discuss the most crucial issues to discuss while completing this analysis. After completing all these things, we are going to we are going to learn how to make a template for feasibility analysis, and explain what is important for entrepreneurs to use this template. Okay, now what is analysis? Feasibility analysis. Feasibility analysis is the process of determining whether a business idea is viable. It is the primary evaluation of a business idea conducting for the purpose of determining whether the idea is worth pursuing. Okay, now when to conduct a feasibility analysis. The time of feasibility analysis is a very important thing, the component of the properly conducted feasibility analysis. Now this is the whole model. This is the business model, where you can see where you can see the number one is proposed business venture that can lead to the time that we are spending and resource necessary to move forward with the business ideas depends upon these four areas: product service feasibility, industry target market feasibility, organization feasibility, and financial feasibility. If you have all the elements are feasible, yes, for everything, then you can proceed for business plan. Otherwise, if you find any one element is not in favor of you, that means no in one or more areas, then you have to drop this idea. So this is the basic concept. Okay, now when we go for forms of feasibility analysis, these are the four forms of feasibility that we have already discussed. Okay, now when we go into the detail about product service feasibility, we need to understand the desirability and the demand of your product and services. And when we are talking about the industry target market feasibility, you need to understand the target industry attractiveness and the target market attractiveness. Okay, when we talk about the feasibility, organizational feasibility, you need to have an management expertise and the resources available to you. Likewise, financial feasibility you must have startup cash needed, financial performance in similar businesses, overall financial attractiveness of the proposed venture, and later on you have to work upon the overall assessment. Okay, these are the explanation of all the things. Now this is the concept paper, which is very important for a beginner, that we need to develop this concept paper. This is the you can say, I normally give a present assignment to all my students to make a one concept paper of your desired product that you are going to launch, right? This is the product service demand that we have discussed earlier. Okay, now okay now later on we have to develop a first screen. This is basically an appendix 3.1 is available in your book. this template for completing a feasibility analysis. This is very important tool for, and that's called first screen. I hope you understand about this this concept idea about this feasibility analysis. With this, thank you very much.